Good afternoon, it's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another, well, it's acrylic paint, but it's not actually pouring. I'm going to be blinging. It'll be Gilly Bling. So what I did yesterday was just go over this canvas with these folkart metallics, colour shift, and the orange. I sort of wanted like a sunsetty colour, but it's actually going to be blinged up with kind of pinkies. But I did, so I just layered those coats on with a sponge brush. I'm sorry I didn't show you, but I got carried away. And I did try to add a bit of glue because I was going to do some definition on it with my glue gun, but the glue gun carked itself and just didn't play nice. So I am trying again with my bigger glue gun. Yeah, don't touch the tip because it's very hot. So I've left it to heat up, hopefully. So I'm pushing the Duvalaki, the glue tube, in. So I'm going to see if this one works. I just wanted to add some definition to it. Ooh, hang on. There. I've got to get used to using these glue guns because I haven't used them for years. In this, well, certainly not in a painting. So, I just wanted to add some ripples. So I don't want the video to be too long, so if I sort of done every single stage with you, it probably would get a bit boring. But I just want to see if I add glitter to this glue, whether it will stick. So, I mean, it hopefully should do because it's still warm. So I better get a wiggle on, hadn't I? Putting some glittery stuff on there. I just want to try it. Now my gun is not standing up nicely. What's happening? Come on, you beauty. Nope. Okay. Quick, 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 she says. Glitter. Where's my glitter? Okay. I've got tons of it. So I want to just, I've got all these great glitters to play with. I just wanted to see if I could get my glitter. Let's try this pinky one. I just want to see if I can get my glitter to stick, and if I don't get a wiggle on, I will not, will I? Will I? Okay, I will pour off the excess onto the sheet. So it's just trying to see what I can get from different ideas in my head, so before I create a bigger version of it. So we'll just see, hey? Any excess from this, I will just pour onto the sheet and then put back into a container and just reuse it. So, oh, where am I going here? Another big wiggler. Let's see if I can get, oh. It's only a kind of a thin line, so I'll go back over it. I mean, I know it's probably dead. It's a lot easier to use the Mod Podge to stick the glitter down. I just wanted to, like, so it's raised so I could see what it actually looks like with a bit of depth in it, you know, the different media in it basically. So I want to thank you guys so much for joining me on my art journey and my little crazy little endeavours that I seem to go on, tangents and trying different things. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'm almost up to 70,000, so very happy about that. had no idea whatsoever that I was even possible for me to reach the numbers that I have, so very happy. Now, where do we go? Oh, back here. These gluey, oh, I can't push that one out. Come on. I suppose I should have had these open, ready to go, shouldn't I? On utter nutter. I'm sure I've used these. Ah, I can't do it. Let me try. Oh dear me. I'll just go back to this one. After I've done these 2 lines, I'll just check that they're actually sticking to the glue. If not, back to the drawing board. I have great news that Capriole Shabby Chic, the online store, has got so much glitter products, and oh, there's all sorts of new products on there that are so exciting for me because I just love all the new gear that's coming up. So let's just see if any of that sticks. It probably won't. Kind of looks like a nice sunset. So I'll just pour it onto this. Okay. Oh, okay. See, I can just tip that back into my container, into a different container. I've got a little bit of stringy bit here. So I'll just pull that off. It's just the glue. So it did stick. It did stick. Well, there you go. So I wonder if I do a sun. Let's see if I can do a round in glue. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at my round. Ha! Oh my goodness. It's like me, a little bit chubby. It's a chubby round. Just trying, remember? So, oh, now I've gone and done it. I tell you what, I am not real good with this gluey stuff, am I? I am definitely learning along with you guys, learning along. Okay, might turn that off now. Let's see what I can do with that. I don't, oh. There we go. Let's try doing this line with this. They're also selling bags of glitter, 100-gram bags, or really cheap. I know it's under $5, so that'll be exciting. I think they've got some gems and crystals as well, so I'm going to have a go at putting some of those into my paintings. I'm going to look for some solar stones, which, you know, glow in the dark stones. I think they collect the light during the day, and then when the lights are out at night, they let's see. See what I get with this craziness. This might be well, it would be a really nice project to do with probably a little bit older children, maybe over 10. I suppose if you've got a younger, you could under supervision. Well, it's all got to be under supervision, especially with the hot glue gun. I wouldn't let a young child use that actually, because you could definitely do some damage. Okay, so just wonder if that one's stuck. But at least it's raised off the canvas, looking, so it gives it some depth. It's just for a try. So I'll see how I go there. Okay, that was a bit wackety-woo. So wasn't real good with that, but Okie doke. Let's see what else we can do. Let me think. Let me think. And go again. Next bit, I've just used Mod Podge in here. I've used the Mod Podge. I'll hold it up in a minute. I've just put some dots on there. I'm gonna sprinkle some more glitter, you know, because it's, and see how we go. See how we go. Creating a glittery sensation. I mean, these would be lovely for a child's room and anybody really that does love glitter. So it's all just a bit of fun, and it's just to mix it up and keep things interesting. You know, I love doing my acrylic pouring, but I love days where I can change it and do some things different. So all good, all good. Sprinkle a bit of this silver in there as well. And this one. So yeah, there's so many glitters on the site. Oh, I could go crazy and just have a real good time. Which, you know, it's, if you can, you know, because glitter's not very expensive. So you do have to, obviously we all have to be careful with what we spend of late, but don't ask me why I wanted to do the sort of going that way. I don't know. I just led me to do it like that. Might completely change, but like I said, it's all just a, well, that looks a weird one. Okay. Alrighty, alrighty. I might put a bit of glue in here because, oh, well, from my perspective, I'll turn it around in a minute. Kind of looks like a hillside. With the night sky. I should put this into a separate dish so I don't put glitter all through my Mod Podge. But you know, that's it. Once you've used glitter, you find it everywhere. Literally everywhere. Underwear and all. Don't know how it gets there, but it does. It seems to find a way. If you've used glitter, you'll know what I'm talking about. Okay, let's go with some black glittery stuff. See what I can get with this one. It's not moving. Why is that? Oh, I do find these a little bit hard. So we'll do some. Well, it's kind of like a gunmetal grey. So I'll add a bit of other stuff in there, I'm sure. Silver going again. Where's my silver one? Just put that down. Can never have too much bling, can you? Never have too much. So it is school holidays here in Australia, in Queensland and New South Wales. So I'll try and get this video up. So it is something that you could do with the children, and I think in the US and Europe it is their summer holidays, so nice thing to do with grandchildren, or just a project if you, on your, to bling up your life. It's kind of, it's looking really weird and cosmic, but I'm sort of getting like skyy bits with the crazy sun and a bit of scenery, so I'll just work my way back down the canvas that way. I'm not sure what it looks from your end, but I'll just keep working with it. And yeah, I mean, it kind of does look like a child's amateur artwork, but I'm just doing this. I've not done these before, so it's just trying it along with you guys. I've moved along. I've just put some white sparkly glitter on there, gold on there. I haven't shook it off yet, but I just thought I'd add these kind of birdie things. I don't know. You're probably saying, what the heck is she doing? They kind of look like birds, no? Oh dear. I'll do them all going one way. Coming to Australia for the summer, that's what they're doing. What will I use there just to give it a I'll use some of this. I'll use some of the darker silver. All these glitter shakers are available in Australia at Cabriole Shabby Chic. I think if you're in the US or the UK, you get them from Hobby Lobby, or the craft shops, or the discount stores do sell lots of glitter. Let's see if this... I haven't shook the glitter off the whole thing yet. So yeah, they're selling these on Cabriole Shabby Chic. So if you're in Australia, we're very lucky. We're going to get all these great things to try. So that's just playing. Let's just see what we've got. I mean, I know that it's something that my granddaughter will love to do with me and have. So it's a very good thing to do for a little bit of fun, I believe. Okie doke. Let's see what we've got when I get rid of all the bling. I mean, some people, you either love glitter or you hate it. I know there was lots of comments on my blingy ones that they loved bling and they were happy that I was doing a bit of bling. I don't know what I've got going on there, but it just kind of lifting it and giving it a bit of... Oh, my birds kind of look like boomerangs. Okay. Tiny kangaroo down sport. I should have actually had a look at how Ayers rock is drawn, or shape, and then put Ayers rock in there. That's what I should have done for Australia. It looks like the red centre, so it's just a blinged up red centre, isn't it? So I'm going to play with it a bit more and see what we get. So I'm sure you'll tell me what you think. It'll be a yay or a nay. But I mean, yeah, it kind of looks a bit juvenile, but you know, really nice thing to just have a play with. So I'd love to see what you come up with in your creations. And of course, you can now join our Facebook Australian acrylic pouring group and join it, and you can show me what work you've done. And if I definitely try to look at what people are posting, but I have moderators that run the site, so, and there's other people that are lots of people that are willing to help each other. So there you go. That's my crazy bit of, I'm going to call that the red centre. That's Australia's red centre. Probably need to get rid of that white then if it's the red centre. But okay, that's my little bit of trial lab testing for today. I will play a bit more at a different time. So thanks for joining me. Thanks so much for subscribing, guys. Until next time, bye for now. Joke for the day is, I wouldn't buy anything Velcro. It's a total rip-off. Okay, free to roll your eyes. Thank you, until next time. Bye for now.